So what do you do when you're about ready to tip your trash truck over on its side? You call Santa Fe Tow Service. We've used these guys in the past and they rock. Santa Fe Tow can pull almost anything out of a ditch. Accidents happen, it's no big deal. But the guys you want to call in something like this is Santa Fe Tow. I had a truck one time that was kind of like this, and we had to call them and they took care of it. And things can happen real easy. I mean, you're trying to make a turn and it's kind of soft on the shoulder. Here you go. So what these guys are going to do, they're going to use this tow truck here to pull. I bet you're going to do is pull the truck up and use that one there to pull it forward to get it unstuck. Yeah, see there he is. He's climbing up on there, and he's going to get that nice and tight up there on top. Of course, the whole idea is to be able to do this without breaking anything. And Santa Fe Tow, they're pros. Like I said, I've used these guys before. So they got that lifted, see right there on the front where that's hooked to the bumper? Put my battery last. We're at 2 minutes. Again, things happen. I mean, what are you going to do? It's somebody's fault. So if you guys are kind of late getting your trash picked up today, this is why. Where are we at? We're off of Gregory, and I don't know what side street this is. Looks like that tree over there kept it from tipping all the way over. That would have been a real bummer. Once they start pulling it back up, I'll turn it back on.